Hi, my name is Angel. I work at the Ritz-Carlton as a lobby concierge. Concierge kind of stuck out to me because you actually get to talk with guests. I'm a person, I'm very shy. So I don't know, for some reason, concierge actually brought me out of my shell to be able to speak with guests naturally. And what's the best part about it? You're talking about your island. So it's good that I could give them spots that they could visit, restaurants that they could try out. So I guess that's why concierge stood out to me. Yeah. An activity I usually like to recommend is Stingray City, Starfish Point, and a bit of snorkeling as well. Lynn University taught a lot in the time that we had. So it practically taught you how to be a good customer service, how your body language should be, like when you're talking to guests, what are the rights and wrong. As well, it taught us different positions in the hotel. If you see a different position that you actually find interesting, you can actually do a little training, and if you want to, if the position is open, you can apply, and then you never know, you can then be a manager at the end of it. So it's a nice benefit that I never knew that in hotels you can do that. I would say to someone that's joining the program, be open-minded. Don't stay in one box, try to come out of your comfort zone.